What's up everyone, this is Seth with Get Conversions. I'm making this video because we're giving away a free Shopify template. It's totally customizable. Every section here you could edit inside of your Shopify. All you have to do is download our app or install it on Shopify. It's called AddSections. And once you get to the dashboard, you'll see here, we have this landing page for free. Click on that eye icon and add it to your theme. Even before adding it to your theme, you could even try it inside of the editor. The landing page is based off of real agency data. We've used this before for many different clients. It converts super well. Again, fully customizable, real ad spend behind it. And the best thing about it is that you can use it for any type of product. If it's supplements, if it's jewelry, if it's clothing, everything is fully editable. And very quickly, just with a few clicks and changes of the buttons, you can make this landing page for anything that you want. Now, keep in mind, it's only going to be available for a super limited time. So if you guys want it, go and get it. It's free. Add it to your store. Let us know what you think. And yeah, thank you for supporting us.